Back to another video. It's so sunny. Well, yeah, we're gonna be here to go. What am I? Cat, he's just over there. And he's sleeping. Can he be really sleeping? He's literally sleeping. Okay, guys? That's why he said scraps. So, it's one of those branches. Oh yeah, last time I sent a bunch of traps because of the dogs and wolves. You're rocking my. So since those are already he's walking down. Oh, he's walking. Oh, look at me. You gonna jump on me? You gonna jump? Nope. He's just trying to get a safe spot. I go here and check out my feet. Oh, there we go. But you're in the video, Oreo. You happy? He's happy, I think. Okay, guys, so that's it for this video. Oreo's just searching over there. That's it for this video. I'll be back, guys. And peace out.